What's going on? Welcome to another Tyco Tuesday. I'm Rich, I'll be your host, and today we have a red Mako shark, candy red. Pretty cool on a Tyco S chassis. Just about done with my Tyco S's. I did the blue one of these, episode 66. This is episode 109. So it's been a while, and yeah, pretty cool car. Bring it right here and we'll check it out. Pretty cool car. Got a driver inside. If you're thinking it looks like a Stingray, you are correct. But it's not. It is a Mako shark. Put it on a dyno. Yeah, it doesn't run that great on the dyno anyway. Most Tyco S's do not. We'll shine up these pickup shoes a little bit. Throw it back on there, see if that does anything for it. No. That's alright. We'll get the book out, then I'll take her apart and we'll check her out. Yeah. Put it back over there where it don't belong. Well, let me find it. There she is, number 16. Mako Shark, 1967. S635. Comes candy blue, candy red, candy violet, candy red, white number 7. And I did a candy blue and a candy red. Got to have 2 different types of screws on it, which is incorrect. Yes, looks like I glued a new one of these on there. A new post. Yeah. Put a little Novus on the body. Really? Yeah. About all we're going to get out of it. Alright, let's take this bad boy over to the track to see what she does. Wow. She's a smoking. Oh, yeah. Well, that looks like we're all we're going to get out of her. Mako Shark. Yes, she still runs. It just, yeah. She just don't like going on a track. Well, hope you guys liked it. From 1967, Tyco, Mako Shark, Candy Red. Sometimes that happens. Yeah. You got to run her a few laps, about 5-6 laps. Appreciate you guys watching. Today's Tuesday, the 22nd, 3 days before Christmas. I'd like to wish all you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Sincerely, and I will be on Friday after Christmas. Nothing better to do. And yeah. Appreciate everyone came in last Friday. I did a Charger, 22 Charger, and Tommy Durney won it. And I gave away 5 chassis, AFX chassis, extra chassis I had. I really didn't need them. 2 I think were Auto World, and 3 were AFX. And Kimber Smith won those. Appreciate you guys coming in. Hope you guys got those by Christmas. Probably not. I did mail those Monday. Saturday. Today's Monday. I mailed them Saturday. And yeah. They said you're supposed to get them Friday. Yeah, you're both coming to New Jersey. Last time it only took 3 days to get there, so you guys should get them before Christmas. So hope you do. And appreciate everyone coming in, checking out the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I mean, I don't know why you're not. It's free. Hit the bell, get notified, and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. 7 words or more. Don't just say hi. This is not live. This is Memorex. Memorex, not live. Don't say good morning and wait for me to respond, because I ain't responding to it. And out from now on, I will delete those. Yeah. Alright. Appreciate you guys coming in. And we'll see you Friday. Later.